Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name's Matt. I am cold camping tonight here in Missouri. Right now the temperature is 9 degrees. I'm inside my beaver hot tent with my beaver wood stove, and I hope I have plenty of firewood. I have some green wood and dry wood, so I'm kind of burning them together. But it's going to be really cold tonight. We're supposed to start getting snow after about 10 o'clock or maybe about 11, and my plan is to ride this out all night. I haven't fully tested the tent and the wood stove yet to see where I can push myself to, how low I can get. I haven't done none of that, so tonight's gonna be like the ultimate test. I've got a good dinner planned tonight, and I'm just gonna kind of hang out. Gonna have a step two. If you guys are familiar with Steve Wallis, I'm gonna make some bread soon like the Outdoor Boys. Hopefully it'll rise, and hopefully we'll have some bread soon, guys. Alright, so for the bread, I got like 3 scoops of flour, a little bit of sugar, and I add yeast. Just add a little bit of water. Alright, I add the water. Just knead it up. Gonna let a little air out of the bag. Get this going really good. I'll check it. I'm gonna add a little more water. My bag's got a hole in it. Okay. Alright, it's still a little dry. Just add a little bit of water each time. Knead it up really good. Alright, let you guys see this. Going. Alright, I'm just going to add just some more water again. Found a hole. Yeah, there we go, guys. That's a lot better. All right, just gonna lay that there. All right, I'm gonna lay it here by the stove, and hopefully it rises. I'm gonna move the bag back here in a second, so don't worry about that. Hopefully this works, guys. All right, guys, now if you guys follow Steve Wallis, he's from Canada, and he does all kinds of stuff: stealth camping, car camping, camping in cold, you name it. And since we're riding a storm out basically tonight. I wanted to do a little something. So I got a bottle of Canadian Mist. Got my Mizzou cup. And I got my Coke. So I already cracked the seal on this a second ago, and here, forgot I should have showed you guys. It's cold, I'm not gonna lie, but I have several layers on. I have long underwear, shirt, I have a t-shirt, I have the SpongeBob shirt, I have my hoodie, I do have my big coat, it's behind me, but there we go. But honestly, it's a little chilly, yeah. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh yeah, it's amazing, because it is chilly, but it's comfortable. It's pretty nice. So if you guys are at home and you want to have a drink too, let's have a drink, guys. Hopefully I make it. I'm going to show you guys times. I'm going to show you guys when I wake up and get the fire going. But honestly, if it does get too cold for me, I'm not going to sit here and pretend, yeah, I did this. I'll show you everything. So, all right, guys, let's have a nice step two. Toast, cheers. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, yeah. That's pretty good. Now, wow, fire's going good. I can actually, I'm starting to feel the heat off of it. Of course, it's warmer up here. Now, there are some air vents up here. I'll show you guys. They are open because of burning wood, and that way it gives me a little airflow and everything. So let's have another drink. Now dinner, what am I making? I told some of you guys I'm gonna make some delicious pork chops and apple sauce. You guys remember that? If you guys remember, comment below what that's from, please. Let's get my comment section flowing here, guys. It's pretty warm. Earlier I had my camo hoodie off and it was a little chilly, so I put it back on. I got the fire going again, and it's actually feeling really good, guys. No lie. After it gets really warm, I'll start some dinner later. Oh, excuse me. But honestly, right now, I'm in no hurry. It's only around 7 o'clock. And I don't know, it's just been a hectic week. So why not relax, guys? No shit. Something just came up and went boom on the tent right there. Chances are, I'm hoping it was Molly, but she was barking. She was barking on the north side of the yard, just like 5 seconds before that happened. That's happened twice. Now, I'm not saying it's ghosts, but fill you guys in case you don't know, my land is haunted by Osage Indian. They used to camp in this whole area down to Turkey Creek, where you guys probably saw the Civil War slaughter video a few years ago. But they were here, and sometimes I wonder if maybe they come around. I hope you guys heard that. That was freaking weird. All right, now I didn't bring any paranormal stuff with me because of the temps, and honestly, this is just supposed to be a basic survival video. All right, guys, this hat, let you guys see it. When my dad was alive, he wore this all the time in the winter, and it is super warm. And I remember being a little kid going out and cutting wood when we lived in the old farmhouse off M Highway, or, you know, doing stuff at the current property here that we live at. And it was just a lot of fun, guys. It was neat because he'd always wear coveralls and these boots and this hat. And tonight, I figured I'd wear this hat, kind of let my dad know, you know, hey, I'm still thinking about you and I love you. And I'm not getting sappy or nothing, but I just really wanted to give you guys the story behind this hat. I hope you like it. All right, so tonight's dinner's pork chops and applesauce. I got 2 seasoned pork chops, got some butter. Go and get it here on the stove. Go and get the fire going really good. I just threw some wood in. Oh, looky there, guys. This is gonna be a good meal. Yeah, them are cooking up good. I used a few seasonings, some garlic butter, some nature's seasonings, some Cajun spice, and a few others, guys. Smells so good in here. All right, really quick while the pork chops cook and a car drives by. It is, all right, so as the pork chops cook, and my Lord, does that garlic butter seasoning smell amazing. I'm gonna pop up the time and the temp really quick. It is chilly, and a lot of you guys on Facebook are saying I need a cot, and yeah, I know I do. I'd love one. I'd really love one of those low profile ones. That'd be so cool. I'll let you guys see the temp on the thermometer right now. Got dinner going. Right now that's saying 20, which about 19, which it is on the ground. Of course, up here it's really warm, but down here, of course, being on the ground, it's chilly. I got the fire just kind of tamed down a little bit, let you guys see. And surely after dinner, I'm gonna get this fire cranking, see how warm I can get in here, guys. All right, guys, I think these are looking done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the pan off. You can see how cold it is. Look at that heat coming off, guys. Now that's showing 20. I held it up through here a little bit ago, about here, which is eye level, and it wasn't that bad. All right, here's the applesauce. I put in a little bit of brown sugar, kind of give it a little sweet taste. All right, guys, so what I'm just going to do is just sit here and eat it straight out of the pan. Gonna let you guys, ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. Let you guys see that again. The seasonings are so good. I'm gonna put a list of yeah, I'm gonna put a list of seasonings on the screen. I know I used trying to keep back from the pole here. I know I used that nature seasoning. What else did I use? Nature seasoning. Butter, garlic. I'll just put it all down below. This is dripping. Wow. This is really good with all these seasonings. Still pretty warm. Oh Lord. All right, looks like the bread's starting to rise. I keep turning it now and then so each side gets warm. You guys see all the bubbles? That's the yeast taking effect. This is really good bread, guys. I can't wait to make it. This is really nice and tender, guys. So good. All right, guys. Last bite. Well, gotta make a little dessert. Something warming up a brownie, guys. All right, let's try this. Oh, hot. Molly. That's actually pretty good. You guys see that? That's ice. It's getting so cold. I'm getting condensation. I'm gonna have to move my bed out. You got the fire going good. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. All right, guys, it's around 9 o'clock. I'm gonna take a little bit of time and just kick back, relax, and play a game on my phone and enjoy this fire. I'll be back for bed. All right, guys, it's 10 o'clock. It's really cold at 6. I'm doing 2 sleeping bags. You guys can see my black one. Then you guys can see the red and silver one. I'll actually be inside the red and silver one. zipped up. This one's zipped up. I got body warmers, hot hands. I'm going to sleep with these, stay warm, because it's pretty cold. I got the fire built up. Now, you guys can see the size of my stove here. I cleaned it out before I lit a fire, but I'm getting a lot of ash. May have to see about getting a new, bigger stove. If I had a little bit bigger stove, I think you could really bake some bread in here, guys. All right, so these are the small ones. What I do is I put one of these at the foot of my sleeping bag, keep my feet warm. I take the second one and I'll put it usually somewhere around my hips. And then I'll take this bigger one. You guys can see I've got pretty big hands, so shows you what size it is. I'll keep this one pretty close around like my heart area. And by sleeping here, what actually happens is the reason why your feet get cold is because your core starts to get cold. If you can keep your core warm, excuse me, if you can keep your core warm, you should be able to stay warm all night. Now, when I did 9 degrees down there, when I had the coyotes come out after me, I was doing this with just one sleeping bag, and I slept good all night. I have the fire going good. Molly's been out barking for quite a while now, and it's after 10. It's 10:30, and I think I'm gonna call it a night. I actually moved my bed more of a angle like this to be a little closer to the stove. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a night, and if anything happens, if I have to go in or if I stay out all night, I'll let you guys know, because I'll film it. All right, good night, guys. Yeah, I've been pissing in an apple juice jug because it's cold outside. It's the way of the road, bubs. Way of the road. Alright, I've been laying here in bed, looking at the fire. It's 10:30. I'm inside. Show you guys, I'm inside one sleeping bag, inside another with hand warmers. I moved a bunch of the wood around. Only thing I'm concerned about is the size of the stove. I'm afraid that maybe the ashes might fill up. But if the fire does go out, I've got the 2 small hand warmers, the 1 big hand warmer. So the black sleeping bag's rated at 0. The sleeping bag, the red one, it's a 0 degree bag. This is the one Robert uses, and this is the new one I just recently got. I'm gonna go to bed. Can kind of see my breath a little bit. Fire's got some good coals going. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple pieces of wood, shaft the lights, and get some sleep, guys. It's been a pretty good night. Did a good meal and everything. That was so good. So, alright, guys, I'll let you know anything that happens as it happens, like always. Good night. Okay, guys, it's about 2 in the morning. I just got the fire going again. I'm doing good. I'm warm in my bag, sleeping bag. I just want to get this fire going again. That's snow on the ground, guys. 4 o'clock in the morning. See all the ice, condensation and stuff on the tent. Fire's still going. Oh. Alright, guys, 4 in the morning. Got the fire going again. Showed you guys it's snowing. I'm all back to bed. Well, good morning, guys. I just woke up. A fire went out. It went out about 2 hours ago. I've been hearing the snow hit the tent. I'm warm. I never really got cold. I got chilly, but I zipped up my sleeping bag and got pretty warm again. So I'm going to get around and get ready. End this video and end this camping trip. Oh, my coat is so cold. Yeah. Oh, wow. Not much of a snow. But hey, we got a little bit out here. Let you guys see. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get inside the house and get warm. This was a fun video to film. It was really cold. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed filming this for you guys. Until next week, you guys stay warm and keep watching videos from Ozarks Exploration Unlimited.